Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be installing this reddish brown jerry curly wig that I received from SUNBERHAIR. This is their 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig, and the density of this wig is 150%. The lace already came pre-bleached and it also came semi-pre-plucked, so it was plucked enough, but if you wanted to go back in to make it look more natural, you can do that as well. First things first, I'm going in and I'm going to cut the ear tabs off on each side of this lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to go in and cut my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to install this lace. Once the glue is tacky enough, I'm going to take the lace and exactly where the hairline starts, I'm going to apply that right on top of where I applied my glue. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the medium heat setting and blow dry this lace until I feel like the glue is dry and secured. I'm using my elastic band and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm doing this process so that I can get that nice melted lace type of look. And I do this process for about 5 minutes. Now to cut this lace off, I'm going in with my razor and I'm going to just cut the lace off as close as possible. I don't really want to see like a lot of lace left on the wig, so I'm just cutting it really close to the hairline area. I also feel like cutting the lace with a razor gives the lace more of a natural type of look. For all of the areas that did not fully lay down, I'm going back in with my Ebin Firm Hold Spray, and I'm just gonna lay those areas down. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15 to blend my lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with a wide tooth comb to detangle this hair. And I'm just going through it, just picking certain sections, and I'm just gonna comb it out. To style these curls, I'm going in with my water bottle, which literally just has water in it, and I'm just gonna spray and apply a generous amount of water to this hair just so that it can saturate the wig and I can really form these curls. going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. So here's how the wig looks wet, just for those who wanted to go for that wet and go type of look. This step is optional, but I like to take little pieces of my hair and form little ringlet curls in it. I just feel like the curls really make the hair pop and it just brings the wig out. So I'm using the Tresemme mousse and I'm just taking the mousse, applying it to that one section and just twisting it with my finger. Now, if you're patient enough or not in a rush, you can let the hair air dry. If not, I like to go in with my diffuser, and the diffuser makes the air drying process 10 times quicker. I also feel like since the air dryer is helping the curls to scrunch up and dry, it also brings a lot of volume to the wig as well. Now I'm just layering and framing these curls to my face. I also feel like layering curls brings so much volume to the hair. So here's the final look of this wig, and just a little tip: if you want more volume to your wigs, you want to just flip your hair upside down, shake it a little bit and toss it back, and that's where all of the volume and just the thickness of the hair will come in. Now back to the final look of this wig. I love the color on this wig. This reddish brown color is definitely giving full-time vibes all the way. I love the actual curl pattern on this wig as well. And the hair was super soft. It was not a hassle for me to detangle the wig or even run my fingers through it. I just feel like this wig is giving off like a fluffy volume type of vibe, and I love that when it comes to curly wigs. So for style number 2, I'll be doing an updo, and I'm also going to show y'all how the back of the updo look towards the end of this video. I'm using the Got To Be High Flex Hold Spray to style my baby hairs. So here's the final look of the updo. I just love a good updo, especially when you feel secure about the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video.